My name is Avinash Punekar. I am the CEO of iCreate at Ahmedabad. What is iCreate? iCreate is International Center for Entrepreneurship and Technology. This is a center, it's an incubator or beyond an incubator. This is an institution that helps budding entrepreneurs and innovators convert their ideas from idea stage into products, businesses which are sustainable and help them take it to the market. We provide them support for fine-tuning their ideas, develop their prototypes, develop their products, test them, evolve them, get them funded, and then take them to market. That is what iCreate does. It is an award-winning incubator, considered to be India's best incubator. Over its 10 years of existence, iCreate has helped over 500 innovators and converted into financially supported over 300 projects and ideas. iCreate's flagship initiative for promoting innovation and entrepreneurship in the emerging electric vehicle segment. Largest grand challenge for EV innovation in India. This is in the third edition this year. The 2021 was the first edition, 2022 second edition, and this year 2023 is the third edition. First two editions, Evangelize reached out to over 1800 innovators and projects across the country. Evangelize 2023, the third edition, it has reached out to 2,700 innovators across the country. These innovators have been actually in the past brought down for boot camps, given support to fine-tune their products, ideas, and historically, in the last 2 years, iCreate supported over 31 startups, projects. Out of 31, 28 completed their product development successfully. And out of 28 commercially, 14 startups have already started taking their products out into the market. This year, out of 2,700 applicants, we have shortlisted 40 applicants who came over to iCreate campus for bootcamp. They were provided support of mentors, experts, industry experts, everyone. And these 40 are now pitching to a panel of jury members, judges, who come from industry, academia, and are absolutely top of their profession. Now, successful startups will be winning cash prizes. This year we have around 56 lakh rupees in cash prizes for the startups. Besides the cash prizes, there's also going to be incubation support and funding schemes, various schemes which are there. This year the theme has been there have been 3 technology themes. We have energy track, we have traction, and then we have TIC, that is telematics, intelligence, and connectivity track. So all these 3 theme areas is where we sort out entries from startups which are either below TRL5 or over TRL5. Our experience has been absolutely phenomenal. The startups, the innovators who've been there have been doing tremendous work. Their hard work, their creativity, their dedication is something which is driving us further. Looking at their efforts, we get recharged every single day. And we hope this energy is what is going to actually help convert India into a leader, global leader. Atmanirbhar Bharat, Vikasit Bharat. All these dreams are possible only if our entrepreneurs and innovators excel and they are provided the right kind of support. Gujarat has been a leading state and it was one of the first states to have a startup policy. It is now one of the top performing states, and this is the institution of iCreate, which happens to be at Ahmedabad in Gujarat, with the support, active support from various government agencies in Gujarat, is helping realize the dreams of our entrepreneurs and innovators. Thank you.